Hello students, continuing with the topic of fundamentals, there are few more theory questions in front of us. First is D, a partner used an amount of rupees 4 lakh of the firm and suffered a loss of rupees 2 lakh 40,000. Now when the other partners came to know about this, other partners were demanding that D should return rupees 4 lakh to the firm, whereas C is saying that he has to return only rupees 1 lakh 60,000. But as per the partnership provisions, D is supposed to return rupees 4 lakh full to the firm. The loss is to be borne by him, not by the firm. The second question over here is the firm Bharat Limited earned a profit of rupees 5 lakh during the year ended 31st March 2025, and 10% of this profit they have decided to transfer to the journal reserve, and the entry is asked for the same. Now journal reserve carries a credit balance and we have to transfer 10% of the profit. The profit was 5 lakh, its 10% is 50,000. So this 50,000 would be given a credit to journal reserve out of profit and loss. Now profit and loss appropriation account would be debited because journal reserve is not a charge, rather it's an appropriation. So the journal becomes P&L appropriation account debit to journal reserve. So third question is A and B are the partners. They have agreed upon IOD rate at the rate 5%. A withdrew rupees to 20,000 during the year. Calculate IOD. Now to calculate IOD, 20,000 amount of withdrawal date is not given to us. So 5% is the rate. In the normal question, we take it as on average basis with 6 divided by 12. But here 6 divided by 12 is not done because rate is given 5%, not 5% per annum. If the per annum word is written, only then we do the average, otherwise not. Now the last question, Mohan and Sohan are the equal partners with the capitals of rupees 2 lakh each. Mohan advanced loan of rupees 50,000 and amount of 40,000 has been advanced by Mrs. Mohan. Question is asking us to calculate interest on loan when rate of interest decided by them is 10%, but deed is silent for the interest. This interest on loan that is given in the question 10% is decided that as if somebody lends money then the rate would be 10%, but in the deed, partnership deed, it is not provided that interest on partners loan would be at the rate 10% or the cases of no partnership deed. So in this very case, Mrs. Mohan, who has lent the money 40,000, would be given interest at the rate 10% per annum, but the partner Mohan, who has lent himself 50,000 to the firm, would be given interest at the rate 6% per annum, not at the rate 10%, because the deed while silent to the interest on loan for the partner's case. Now the last question is, partnership is a separate and distinct entity from the viewpoint of accounting. The answer is correct. This question have already been discussed in the previous videos, but there was one point left over there. About that leftover point was there that from legal point of view, partnership, firm and partners are same, they are not separate, but from accounting point of view they are separate. Now accounting point of view meant over here is when accounts are maintained, then partners if make additional contribution of capital, that is treated as capital. If they withdraw something from the business, that is treated as drawings from accounting point of view, right? So when there is a case on the firm, and for that case if somebody has to appear in the court, that would be the partners will become the partnership firm itself. Thank you, Accountitude. Keep scoring, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.